The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it never.
Hi friends, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Aria, and today we are kicking off whatever version I can come up with of Vlogmas, and we're going to start off at Hallmark. I am looking for gift wrap, and I just figured I would show some other treats. They have so many cute things for your hot cocoa bar. I was tempted to buy a few things, but if you didn't see my latest video, I've already set up my hot cocoa bar, and I would like to go through the things that we have before I think about buying anything new. But I just wanted to show you because they have some really cute things here.
Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be.
Now let's go to the governor's mansion. So this is here in Raleigh, and this is actually the governor's residence. He actually lives here with his family, and they have the first floor open for this weekend for the public to come and just tour and see how it's decorated for the holidays. So I figured I will go see what it's like. So this first room, first of all, these trees are real trees. They are, I think they said 14 feet tall, and the ceilings are 16 feet tall, which is crazy. And they're local trees. They're here from North Carolina as well. Did you know that North Carolina is one of the largest producers of Christmas trees? We actually have a Christmas tree that's at the White House right now. So, you know, a little fun fact about my state. But I thought this was just so cool. So that first room was like I think she said it was the gentleman's, I don't know, room or sitting area. And this is the women's sitting area. Very interesting. And that little dress. Yeah, I thought I'd share that too. But very, very interesting. We can't go upstairs, but there is a tree up there. And I just thought it would be really interesting. Now, one thing, this is my first time doing this, and I don't know if I would want to do it again because I thought there would be a little bit more to it. There really wasn't. It was just what you see here is kind of what you get. What I didn't understand was why were so many people just standing around talking? Like, what are we doing here? I kind of expected it to be more like Parade of Homes where you kind of walk through the house and you see it. Not just congregate, but you know, hey, I've come and I've seen, and I don't think I'll come and see again, but I thought it'd be something fun to share with you. They had docents set up at each room to explain a little bit of the history of the house and when things got remodeled and all kinds of fun facts that I never would have known. This house was actually built in the late 1800s by prisoners. And I think every prisoner who built the house or had something to do with it, they have bricks that are signed by them. Very, very interesting information, you know. Learn something new every day. This is a plank tree, apparently, very popular on Etsy, she was telling me, and that this is one of the first ladies' famous or favorite rooms in the house. This used to be a different type of room, but they enclosed it and made it a sunroom, so very interesting, but yeah. pop into Home Goods on a Saturday, which I would never recommend, but this Home Goods is actually, the line was very long, but I went through it very quickly, so I'm not complaining about that. I came looking for gift wrap materials and maybe some boxes. Didn't really find a whole lot, but I will share with you what I did find later in the video. After Home Goods, I popped over to Target just to see what they have. I came specifically for some more, of course, gift wrapping things and to look at the toy section because I want to pick up some items for Toys for Tots for my job's corporate giving that we're having this week. And I knew that they had a lot of things on sale for toys. And so why not go ahead and get it now while I'm here and while things are on sale.
Good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Definitely don't need any more gift wrap, but I was drawn to this Black Santa gift wrap as well, but I did not pick it up because it's really not a good bang for your buck. There's not a lot of actual gift wrap in those rolls, and I did just buy some earlier today, so I didn't really need that. But I was trying to decide, do I want to do ribbon? Do I want to do bows? Ribbon is always nice, but it's not really necessary, so I'm not sure. I pick up some ribbon, I put it back. I'm just not sure. We'll see. I'm not done. This is just where I'm at right now. Also, I love this Stuart Plaid gift wrap. But then again, you know, at this price point, I just felt like, look at how thin that roll is for $5. Like, how many gifts can I wrap with that? Not many.
Always be Christmas in my heart. But
I saw this ribbon that was $15. I just feel like that's a little bit steep, so I decided to put it back. But if they come on sale in the next week or so, I might get some more things. We'll see. So I'm back home really quick. I figured let me just go ahead and show you what I got. So I got these items. A lot of the stuff was on sale. Like, I don't have small kids anymore. I don't have small kids on my shopping list. So I don't know what the kids like these days, but Target had buy one, get one half off of select toy brands. And then Barbie was 20% off, and I was like, I can't resist. I miss the days of being able to buy Barbie. So these are for Toys for Tots. We're having donation at my job, and that ends this week. So I wanted to go ahead and get the stuff while I knew that they had a sale going on. If you have a lot of toys that, well, by the time this goes up, disregard, it doesn't matter. But I got that, and then I got this Paw Patrol thing. I know the kids love the Paw Patrol. Somebody does. And then I got just some bows. And then one of the other brands that was buy one, get one half off was Baby Alive. I used to have quite a few Baby Alives when I was a kid. And I like to buy ones that have different skin tones, because, so I picked this one. That way it could, many different children could find that one to fit what they look like. And let's see, I got some Alani, so nothing new there. And then I showed you did I show you what I got from Home Goods? So I just wanted to get some bows. Now I could do ribbon. I don't want to do ribbon. Like ribbon, I have some ribbon, but I'm not sure if I want to go through all that. So I just picked up a couple bows. I like big bows. And so a lot of times the bows that come in these bags are not really big enough. But I did get that one from Target, all red, because when you get the multicolor, they never have the colors or enough colors that I'm looking for. And then I got this one from Home Goods as well. I just figured that way I'd have a little bit different colors, but these are good size bows. And then there's some ribbon that come with that. And then really what I was looking for, I'm trying to do this with one hand here, is this. So I saw this the other day when I was at Home Goods, and I was like, dang, that's not bad. I really got it just for this because this is very popular on Amazon. It's just a gift wrap cutter. But on Amazon right now, it is like 15, 20, 25, depending on, you know, timing. So this was $10. So I get scissors, I get tape dispensers, you know. I figured that was okay. And then I got gift wrap from, where did I go earlier today? Oh my gosh, my brain. Hallmark. I was like, it starts with an H and it's not Hobby Lobby. So I love Hallmark gift wrap. I used to get my gift wrap from there all the time. But I decided to go there because I was looking online. So I was in Hobby Lobby the other day and they had Nutcracker gift wrap, but I didn't like it. It wasn't good. At least, I mean, if you like it, good for you. I love it for you, but it wasn't good to me. So I saw this and I just think this is so cute. And so I saw online that all gift wrap was buy one, get one half off. So I knew I was going to go get that. So I went ahead and got 2 rolls of that. And then I can't resist a black Santa, if you know me at all. And so I got this one. And then I love Stuart Plaid. Hello, again, if you know. I love Stuart Plaid. So I decided to pick this one up too. This was a nice big size. So this one's bigger than the others. It was a little bit more expensive, but it's still a good size. And I've always just loved, it says it wraps 27 shirt boxes. Does that say that kind of stuff on this one? No. Anyway, I've always liked Hallmark gift wrap. It's really good quality. And yeah, so I don't need to buy any more gift wrap. I did pull out my gift stuff just to see what I have. I don't have enough lighting going on over here, so I'm sorry. But just to see what I had. And a lot of this is like, yeah, no. The problem is I'll get gift wrap and then I don't love it like a couple years later. And so then it just sticks with me. And it really sucks because one of my good friends used live near me. And so she would always be like, what kind of gift wrap are you trying to give up this year? And I would just give her my old gift wrap and go buy more. But she doesn't live near me anymore. She lives in another state. So anyway, that's what I got. I'm going to wrap it up here. And speaking of wrapping, I will be sharing a wrap with me video coming up soon. Don't know how I'm going to make that work, seeing as how sometimes my kids and my husband will watch my videos, but I think that I can mask what's inside of boxes, and I'm just going to wrap some gifts with you. It won't be everything that I have because I have a feeling that I'll just go ahead and tell you, I know I'm going to be doing some last minute shopping. Yep, I'm going to be out there on the 21st and the 22nd. Yeah, getting the last minute things done. It sometimes it just ends up that way. And I already know it's going to be that way this year, just with timing. But I hope that you stick around for that video. Hope that you liked today's little vlog. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.